Hi students, let's try to understand difference between metals and non-metals on the basis of chemical properties students. Okay, so first one, reaction with oxygen student, right? Metal react with oxygen to form basic oxide, right? So how can you be able to understand this student? Suppose sodium is there, if it is reacting with the oxygen student, so it will give that is Na2O, right? Now student, this is basic. Why it is basic? If you are treating this Na2O student, Na2O with water molecule HOH, so what you are finding, this is OH, this is OH, so it is going to give student 2NaOH. So this is what is student, this is the base. So metal react with oxygen to form basic oxide student. Now let us see non-metal react with oxygen to form acidic or neutral oxide student, acidic or neutral oxide. Now you see students, like sulfur is there, it is react with the O2, so it give the SO3 student, right? SO3, you can balance it out student, this is 2 moles, so put out 2 and it is 3 2 6, that is 3. Now they are saying this is the acidic oxide. Why this is acidic oxide student? Just put SO3 to water molecule, right? So it will give, that is what student, H2SO4, like it will give H2SO4. So this is what is student, acid. So that is what we are saying student, that is non-metal give the acidic oxide and while the metal give the basic oxide, right student? Now the next point, if you see the reaction with water, okay, so metal react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas will released, okay, and while non-metal do not react with water student. Like if you talk about this one, carbon plus, okay, if you are treating with water, so it will, even the carbon, coal, it is 1000 years below the the earth, this is the remain unchanged, so there is the no reaction student. If you talk about like the metal, suppose sodium is there, if you are treating with the water, HOH, so you will find, take the 2 mole of sodium, 2 mole of water molecule, so here you will find that is sodium hydroxide is being formed, okay, this is 2NaOH and together it will give the hydrogen gas student. So this is what is the point of metal react with water to release hydrogen gas and form the metal hydroxide, while the non-metal do not react with the water. Now the third point, you see the reaction with the dilute acid. With dilute acid to form the metal salt, okay, so what a metal is forming the metal salt and they displace hydrogen from acid, that is, and non-metal do not react with the dilute acid, means that like the carbon is there and if you are treating with the HCl, okay, dilute HCl, so there will be no reaction. So non-metal do not react with acid but metal react with the acid, like zinc is there, if you are treating with the HCl student, so it will give that is metal salt ZnCl2 and it will release the hydrogen gas. This is what the point is all about. But here you see the point, the most important is reaction with oxygen, that you keep in mind, that they give the oxide which is basic in nature. And why basic in nature? If you dissolve in the water, it will give the metal hydroxide. Similarly, that is non-metal oxide are acidic in nature, as you dissolve in the water, it will give the acids, okay. So there are n number of equation are there that you can understand student. Thank you so much for watching.